Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking the iPhone and going straight into Settings. This avoids delays. Once there, tap General, then Date and Time. You're now at the control panel for system time. Make sure you remember your device passcode because some changes require it. If you see location services prompts, ignore them for now. The key is the date and time screen. Right away, locate the Set Automatically toggle so you can take manual control of the date and year. With Set Automatically off, the date and time fields become editable, so you can change the year directly. Tap the date field. A picker wheel appears. Spin the year column until it shows the year you want. Make sure to also check, and if necessary, adjust the time zone so the date aligns correctly. Time zones can shift the displayed day. Once the year is set, glance at the time to confirm no unintended changes happened, and then exit back to the home screen. After changing the year, lock the device, then wake it to confirm the new date shows on the lock screen and inside Settings. If the change doesn't stick, restart the iPhone. That often forces system updates to apply. If you can't toggle Set Automatically, make sure screen time restrictions or an MDM profile aren't preventing edits. Go to Settings Screen Time or Settings General VPN and Device Management. If restrictions exist, disable them or contact the administrator before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.